In this video, we're going to go and look at how to actually add products into a sublocation. Now this can be done manually by going into the location, clicking on Add Products, using the searches to find a series of products that you want, and then selecting them and manually adding them into that location. Alternatively, a faster way, particularly with a bulk list of products, is to use the Import from Excel function, which is what we're going to do now. So to do that, we go, in this case, to the products, and we're going to go and do a search for a handful of products. So I'm just going to look for a subgroup of N feeds and those that have got tap within the description. And I'm going to export this list out to Excel. Import from Excel wizard, selecting in this case the most recent template. If I don't already have it, I can download a copy of the actual template we want to use, and I'll open that template up. Once I have that template open, I click on Enable Editing, and then I also open up the spreadsheet which has got the products on that Then all I need to do, you can see the details here, is copy the details into the relevant columns here. So firstly, I'm just going to copy the product codes, and I'm going to paste in the location path. With the control key, it doesn't up the location path each one as we go. And then you have a sequence number. Now the sequence number is how the products are going to appear within this location on a stock count sheet. General rule of thumb is work on the principle of top left moving across down to bottom right. So if I've got 3 shelves, start top left on the shelf and move along as we go. In this particular case, I'm just going to number them up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but obviously this could be put in a different sequence according to what we've actually got. Once you're happy with that, we can close that. There we go. And then in the importer, browse to go and find that, add it in, read the import file, which has gone and found 5 line items. It's saying what the location path is and what the sequence number is. Validate that data is correct. And if it's all good, we can import it. That gives me a summary that says all 5 have been imported successfully and no pre-existing codes were ignored. Cancelled. Then if we go into our Ferndown stock entry, we can see now that bin 3 has got 5 products in it, and if I click on that code, you can see those 5 products. They're in sequence order, and we can then, if we want to, use the up and down arrows to resequence those products according to how they may actually be sat on the shelves at the moment. But that's how you can easily use the importer to bring products in to the locations.